Dear friends, in this video I am going to tell you the right technique of Kapala Bhati, what are the benefits, who should avoid this, and what is the right technique with the right precautions to do the Kapala Bhati. Pranam, my name is Bholi Parihar and I welcome you all to Sai Yoga. First let's learn that what is the meaning of Kapala Bhati. Kapala Bhati. Kapala Bhati basically made up by two words. Kapala means a forehead, Bhati means a shining. So this is the meaning of Kapala Bhati. Before letting you know about precautions, you should know that Kapala Bhati is not a pranayama. Kapala Bhati basically a ShatKarma cleansing exercise which help us in the detoxification of the entire head region. So it falls under the category of ShatKarmas, but because this gives the benefits of pranayama, that's why many people decide this as a pranayama or take this Kapala Bhati as a pranayama, because it having a lots of miracle benefits which if we perform any pranayama, so it having a quite similarities with the pranayama, that's why. Now let's come that who should avoid this. If you are having a ulcer, if you are having a cancer, if you are having a gastric related issues, if you are having abdominal related any problem, then make sure not to perform this Kapala Bhati. If you want to perform this, then make sure do under guidance of experienced teacher or the proper excellent teacher. Rest, everybody could do it. One more thing, if you are having a sitting related issues, if you can't sit over the floor, then you could practice the same pranayama over the bed, or you can use chair for this same pranayama. But you have to keep one thing in your mind, that your entire spine and the body weight should be equal. So you need to erect your spine or straight your spine while you're doing this. And you have to give the proper space to your belly, to your chest, so that you could do this breathing technique or the ShatKarma cleansing exercise properly. Now let's come that how to practice this. At the end I will tell you the benefits. So technique is very easy. You can perform this Kapala Bhati in Sukhasana. So basically I am sitting in the Sukhasana. While you crossing your feet in this way, this we known as the Sukhasana. If you want to change the posture, you can practice the same Kapala Bhati in Vajrasana, Swastikasana, Padmasana. But if you are a beginner and you are new into yoga, then make sure to practice with this only. Now, how you should keep your hands while you are doing Kapala Bhati? So, in Kapala Bhati, you have to place or touch your both index finger and thumb tip with each other. So, this we known as the Jnana Mudra. So, flip your palms up and fix your both hands over your knees. So, this is the positioning of your hands. Now, let's come to the breathing. Breathing is really very important during technique. So, you have to inhale and you have to exhale 50% air outside. Let me show you how to do it. This one. Then you have to start the Kapala Bhati. What should be the positioning of your belly and how you should sync your belly movement with your breathing. Let me show you. So, bring your entire focus over my belly, hands here. Inhale first, 50% air out. You have to do the forceful exhalations. So you can see that I am pulling or pressing my belly inside while I am exhaling my breath outside. So you have to sync this body movements with your breathing, because this is really very important. So this is the technique to do it. But maximum time people being confused that where from this friction sound should come. So many people believe that there should be a throat sound while you're doing Kapala Bhati. No, this is not true. The friction sound or the air sound, the exhalation sound should be throughout your nostrils while you are exhaling your breath outside. Let me show you once more. I am going to show you the 10 strokes of Kapala Bhati. Hands here, spine straight. Inhale, bring your eyeballs to the one point. And relax. Now how to over the Kapala Bhati, you know how to start, hand position, how to do. Now let's come that how to come back. So when you complete your practice of Kapala Bhati, then make sure to take 5 normal breathing to do the proper relaxation or to regulate your breathing. So you should do the proper abdominal breathing just after Kapala Bhati, or either you could do the deep yogic breathing. Let me show you how to do it. So this is the way to do the deep yogic breathing or the abdominal breathing. Now let's come to the benefit. It having a miracle, lots of benefits of Kapala Bhati, but let me make you count few of them which is really very good and you should know about them. So first, if somebody having a sinus related issues, then this pranayama is really very beneficial. It helps us to open the entire eye ducts and also activate the sinus glands as well. Second, this pranayama is really very beneficial to do the proper detoxification of your forehead area. So, what happens when you perform Kapala Bhati? In this, you do the forceful exhalation which I earlier told you. So, when you do the forceful exhalation, it improves the blood circulation around your eyes, around your sinus ducts and around your entire head area or the forehead area, which improves your memory power also, help you to improve the blood circulation and send the good oxygenated blood to your brain, which help us to improve the memory and improve your focus as well. If you are having a disturbed sleep pattern, then if you practice Kapala Bhati on the regular basis, then it helps us to maintain or help you to make your entire sleep cycle better. If you practice Kapala Bhati regular basis, it helps you to improve your digestion, and also the people having a chronic cough and cold, then this pranayama is really very beneficial. But make sure if you are having a chronic cold, then make sure to do under guidance. This pranayama is really very beneficial. Now the question comes that how many strokes you should do with one set. So if you are a beginner, then you should start with 20 strokes, and after 1.5 months, you should increase your counts in a one set. So max you could do 50 in one set, and similarly you could do the 3 sets. That means if you are a beginner, then practice 3 sets, and each set you have to do 20, 20 and 20. So how many strokes you could practice if you are an advanced practitioner? So I would recommend you that max practice the 3 sets and each set 40 to 50 strokes. So this is the count which you should maintain while you're doing Kapala Bhati. Now what is the right time to do the Kapala Bhati? Morning time is an excellent time, but if you practice Kapala Bhati in the Brahma Muhurat. So if you practice the Kapala Bhati in the Brahma Muhurat timing is 4 or 4:30 around. So if you wake up early in the morning and then you practice this Kapala Bhati, this awakens the cosmic energy inside the body, which gives the mental, physical, social and spiritual benefits. So if you want to make these 4 pillars strong, then you should practice this Kapala Bhati early in the morning in the Brahma Muhurat. But if it's being difficult for you, you can practice early morning such as around 6 to 7. Even it's being difficult for you, then you can practice this Kapala Bhati any time of the day, but make sure do not practice Kapala Bhati after stuffed out or after having your meal. So these precautions you should keep it in your mind while you're beginning the Kapala Bhati. In this video, I have tell you everything about Kapala Bhati. Still, if you are having any confusion regarding Kapala Bhati, then comment down. I will definitely try to solve your problem. Till then, make sure to like this video. If you didn't subscribe this channel yet, then make sure to subscribe as well. Till then, keep yourself physically and mentally healthy and have a sigh of relief.